Again, we're gonna do some fish tank maintenance with water change right here.
Like nice. This one is I like this one the most. Me too. Yeah.
All right, it's almost down.
I can see it
Be
go
a quick
down.
wash. I mean, water change.
It's coming down.
So this, I did a little bit of customized it a little bit, so the fish won't get sucked up. I don't have to worry about it.
Go with
Yan, naglilinis eh.
Oh boy.
Green ang ano niya. Istang. Ganyan lang si Kuya Rin mo naglilinis. Ikaw, Storya, be.
Yep, here we are. Siphoning, that's what we call it.
Yan.
And we just do about maybe 2/3 water change.
Yes.
Yeah,
Kaya
so
ganyan si Kuya Rin mo kalinis yung ano niya, yung fish tank niya. Kasi palagi yan. Every how many days, be?
Yeah, about once a week.
Ayan.
Every 2 weeks. Paper towel.
Ayan. Hindi yan nasasali yung hindi nadalala yung stone kasi mayroon yung ginagawa sa Kuya Rin mo.
Ooh, this is warm in here.
I
Nice
like
and warm.
the fish.
Kasi nakita nyo yung dumi.
Jacob,
Kita, be?
you're dying.
Ayan. Punasan yung ganyan.
Oh my god. I'm done. I want to respawn. Respawn back.
Be nice and clear. Yikes. That's all right.
Oh no. You're cleaning it?
Mhm.
There we go.
Ininisan niya rin. Ayan.
Music can be funny when it sounds like
Wait.
singing.
Pero nandyan yung isda. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan na. Basta nandyan lang yung isda. Ayun o. Ayan, saan na yun? Saan nandyan na yun? Ayun, ayun, ayun. Ayun siya. Tumatago-tago. Ayun o. Sabi na, Jacob. I know.
Hi.
Yung isda.
Yeah.
Wala ng tubig. Hanggang dito lang yan. Eh, ano ni Kuya Rin. Para malinis. Ayan.
Use this water here for the plants.
Yes.
I'm fine.
Nasa na naman ni Kuya Raymond dyan. Ay, yung mga dumi dyan. Pinaganyan niya. Hindi masyadong marumi kasi naglilinis kasi si Kuya Rimo palagi. Yan, nililinisan niya talaga yan. Always. Yung aquarium, di ba? Ang linis-linis. Hindi katulad sa ibang aquarium, di ba? Naglumot-lumot na. Pero yan sa kanya hindi yan. Every week nililinis na yan. Ano yung mga isda.
Algae's alright. It's actually healthy, but it'll look good on the glass.
Iba yan dyan. Dito is beta. Hindi yan magkatugtong ha. Ibang ano yan. Ibang aquarium. Ito sila. Tapos ito din beta. Dito. Dinikit lang yan. Ang ganda-ganda nila, no? Ang ganda. Ito babae. Ang ganda. Tapos ang cute ng mga maliliit. Nagbibigay din ng ibang kulay. Di ba? 10 yan yung mga maliliit. Iwan, ano to, yellow, yun, ganyan. May isa pa yan na, ano, yung lalaki. Asa na yung lalaki, be?
Bye-bye.
Wala na. Passed away.
Oh, tiklo na daw yung ganito.
Those don't really, sometimes they don't really last long because they're genes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tapos ita, yan, ginagamit namin ano ng halaman. Kasi
Where's the
may
boy
mga tayo ng isda,
take
yung ano.
Passed away, Jacob, but that's
Dinidilig
alright. You
namin
know,
sa
just to have a girl
halaman.
there. Yeah, he was sick. Yeah.
It will just buy again. What to do?
I want to put a girl bed in there, but
Another one?
no, not right now, Jacob.
I don't
We're good right now.
Ang ganda, di ba?
Hey,
Ganyan lang, dito yan. Minsan, ganyan na
it's
si...
leaking.
Andiyan lang si Kuya Rimo dyan, nagtatambay, manood ng mga isda. Nakaka-relax kasi panoorin. Ayan na siya. Ayan, nakita niyo yan? Ayan siya. Ayan siya.
Mommy,
Ayan.
wash my hands.
Ayan siya.
Why are you gonna wash your hands?
Yan, di ba ang cute? Ayan siya. Lumulundag yan pag ganyan. Tapos yung isa dito, ayan. Ayan, blue beta. ayan.
Here's all this stuff.
Ano Kuya rin. Lagyan ng solution or ng bacteria sa water kasi hindi nga daw hindi pwedeng basta-basta ka lang maglagay ng
Dechlorinator.
tubig dyan. Ano be?
Dechlorinator, no chlorine.
Oh, chlorine. Kaya nilalagyan niyang ganyan.
Out,
Sakot siya. Andyan na naman yung mga anak namin na makukulit. Ayan, di ba? Yung mga anak naming makukulit.
Leave it on.
Okay.
Wala kang magagawa. Ayan,
Get out of the way. Get that out of the way.
Kuha sila
No, you don't have to wash
ng
your hands.
tatapon ni Kuya rin mo yung iba.
Just
Kukuha
paper
siya.
towel.
Kukuha siya ng ibang
The right temperature.
water. Ayan. Tatapon niya siya.
I need to wash my hands.
Kukuha siya ng ng bagong water para doon sa face lock.
Bye.
Wow, it's cold.
Ang mga makukulit naming anak, yan palagi sa papa niya. Ang mga makukulit na Julia. Right, Julia? Ayan, ganyan lang. Pag wala masyadong hindi busy si Kuya Rimo, always talaga niyang ganyan ang face tank niya. Tapos minsan, pag hindi malamig sa labas, yung car naman niya. Yan lang yung sobrang hilig niya talaga sa sa aquarium, yung mga isda, tapos yung car niya. Paliwanag, Beka, hindi ko alam yan.
It's just keep it clean and the bacteria, good bacteria.
It'll
Explain
save
more,
them.
Be, pila ka kubaan, ano ba?
The bacteria will save
About
them.
estimate. You don't really have to really put.
Gas.
Make sure you shake it.
Gases.
Keep-
Ipaliwanag gani, hindi mo kayo, kuan, gusto nila matuto.
Estimate. Gas.
For a healthy, clean aquarium, to maintain a strong biological filter.
Ayan, nabasa, kung ikaw lang good.
So
Bro!
it keeps the filter
The chair will
with good
fall.
bacteria, so the fish won't die.
Oh, yeah. Starting on
So-
crazy. You can see it.
You could put, and then after that, fish can't survive if there's chlorine, so you put dechlorinator in the water. About 2 drops per gallon, so
I'm scared at
just kind of estimate.
But not too scared.
Ayan, para daw sa chlorine. Kasi di ba
Wait a few
yung
minutes, because look at the water right now.
No, I'm gonna go come for you.
Look at all that.
Ganyan na yung color. Pero yan, lilinaw uli yan. Kasi
Yep.
nilagyan lang
It's
kasi
the water pressure.
nilalagyan kasi na siya ng ganito. Siya ganyan.
Especially winter
Ipakita
time.
mo nga yung isa, Be. Yun. Yan.
This. So basically, live bacteria. Here, see, live bacteria. So fish need good bacteria to survive, and it keeps the tank clean, so you don't have to worry about cleaning it as often.
Ayan na,
Okay,
luminaw na
see,
siya,
it's
no?
clear and safe for the fish. Now we just got to do it slowly because I don't have a. All right, sorry, fish. Make sure it's the same temperature or similar temperature.
Ganyan lang yung mga anak ko makukulit. Na, pag nag-ano si Papa niya, aquarium.
Alright, make sure it's all the way up.
Whoa. How about the floating log?
One log's gonna go up.
What?
There we go. See, it's gonna go up.
No, not that.
Move a little bit. There you go.
What the
Now the other
floating
one.
log? I made it down.
Ito naman sa isa. Kasi kadugtong-dugtong lang kasi ito yung malaki. Diba? Kasi hindi nang pwedeng isama yung bita sa normal na isda. Especially lalaki. Pwede daw babae, di ba, Be?
Yeah.
Ihalo
But still,
dyan.
you
Pero
still gotta be careful.
pag
'cause
lalaki kasi, sobrang tapang nila. Pwede, mag-aaway. Ganyan lang siya.
all the way up. And just a little bit more.
Ganyan lang. Easy lang. Kasi may mga ano naman si Kuya Rin.
Yeah, I do.
Gamit na. Pero yung gitna, hindi mo pa yan, O linisan mo rin
No, I
yung
already
gitna.
did that.
O nilinisan na pala niya yung gitna nung isang araw.
Put it back. And then another 1 week to 2 weeks.
Jump on you.
So
Yung
yeah,
mga collection niya.
I'm like a ninja, you guys.
beneficial bacteria for a healthy aquarium.
Well, the old person.
So
for a long time.
Ayan, may gloves kami ni
For 10
Mami. Sana na kung may ganyan tayo kalaki na
No, I have
face
6
tag.
And different fish food.
Meron siyang mga iba-ibang pagkain
So
ng isda.
these for
Well, I
this fish, flakes and bug bites.
6.
Beta is different. They need more protein, so they have a different food. And we feed it.
I
Just
want
put
to
it right
feed
here. Not
some.
Jacob now. Yeah. So we put it right there on the log,
In the tube or a little hole.
on top of the log,
In the hole.
and then they're gonna eat it. Yeah, we just gotta wait. He's gonna go under there. That's it, guys. Alright.
See the food down there.
Ayan na siya. Ayan siya. Kung minsan ginaganyan yun ni Kuya Remo.
Yeah, he jumps.
Bubbling.
Yeah.
Look at this. Come on. I know you jump. He's gonna do it.
Kaya kita na yung mga ibang pagkain.
What if he
There you go,
jumps
he's going
at
in
your
there.
phone?
He smells it.
Ayan, diba?
Bro cannot see it.
Taon na
Because it's brown like that brown.
There we go. He's in.
He's
There we go. Now he's eating.
Dun, dun,
You can see down there too.
Move.
Kain na niya.
You can see down there.
Kinakain niya na, right? Ayan. Okay, kain niya. Kahit natakpan mo, makita mo.
Jacob, boy, not the finish.
Boom.
Kinakain niya, diba?
That's it. The other guys they already ate.
How about the middle guy?
Tagal lang po ng tunga, oy.
So you could do flakes. This one. So for the big guys, I just go straight,
Pakita yung tsura sa...
big, and then the small ones I like to crush
See, kita mo yan?
it a little bit like this for the small guys.
Kita wala.
Okay, small guys, you can eat those.
Ah, diba?
Small and big ones.
Oh, there's big one. That guy over there is the biggest fish we have.
Really? Diba? Grabe nilang gulo-gulo sa kain.
But the koi fish was the biggest one we have.
Bye-bye na, guys. Jacob.
Bye-bye.
And subscribe.
Yeah, like it.
Subscribe and
Like.
comment and like.
Yeah.
And share. Bye-bye.
Guys.
Julia. Julia? Okay.